What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get into it today, if you guys wouldn't mind supporting the channel, I got a new t-shirt out on the website, Some Grind Harder. If you know, you know, some people out there in this business that work harder than others, and it shows with results, advancements, cars you're hauling, what you're hauling, who you know. But other than that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a big thumbs up. And if you wouldn't mind going and supporting my second channel, my personal channel, links in the description for everything. Before we get into that, or after that, we're going to, we've got some service to do today. We are working on a 2018 Ram 3500 cabin chassis, 6.7 liter Cummins with the Aisin Transmission, and we're doing a 30,000 mile service. So what we're going to be doing, no, it's not my truck, but what we're going to be doing, oil and filter change, both fuel filter change, and a drain and fill in the transmission. So the transmission, the Aisin transmission, calls for JWS 3309. On the transmission it says use mobile 3309, but good luck finding it. So I did some research, I talked to AMSOIL, I talked to some other people. Bless me. I talked to some other people and I found something that is JWS 3309 at AutoZone. With everything going on in the world right now, I had some issues getting my AMSOIL order, which is no big deal. Stuff happens. I'm not mad. I did find an equivalent though. It's used for a bunch of things. STP, multi-vehicle, ATF, and I'm very happy and I'm comfortable using this. You know, the truck is still under warranty because it says right here on the back of the bottle, JWS 3309. Has a receipt, you know, that he bought this. You know, someone's going to pay for it if something happens. So, drain and fill on it calls for about 7.2 quarts. So I got 8 parts stores right down the road if we need more. I doubt we need 7.2 even. But I'm just sitting here waiting for him to get here, and then we're going to get started on the maintenance on this truck today. Alrighty. Mark, you want to explain to anybody what this dent is over here?
No. No.
I'll tell you one thing though, working on the cabin chassis is really, really nice. Got all this headroom. Got all this light. Got the oil draining. This will drain the transmission fluid next. Do this fuel filter and then go up top. I don't know how much light I have on here, but drain and fill and an Aisin transmission. This is a 10 quart jug. I'd say that's probably, I don't know, I'm gonna go with 6 quarts. Still barely draining out, but get this out here in the light, show the color of the fluid, because I'd say it looks brand new. Alright, there's the color of the fluid. Pretty much looks brand new. I'd say you could probably get this mistaken for brand new fluid. Now, fuel filter time. And look at all this room when working on a cabin chassis. get a new one. 30,016 miles. Cabin chassis, mounted fenders, 30K gooseneck just like the one I have. Hey, hop in there and put it in gear. I think it's an emergency. I think you need to turn your light on. We're in a state of emergency, so. See you, buddy.
See you, buddy. Hey, put your lights in.
Oh yeah, I guess I can do that today. I might pull that in and mount the deck plate too. What's that? Do I have the other piece? No. I didn't put it in case I need to move the toolbox. So. Bye, Mark. And just like that, truck serviced, oil change, both fuel filters, air filter, and drain and fill in the transmission. It took about 7 quarts for the drain and fill. So keep that in mind in case you're wanting to do your Aisin transmission. And other than that, everything went pretty smooth. He's got 30,000 miles on his truck now. Front tires look great. It is looking like he's gonna need a set of rears within probably the next, I would say 5 to 10,000 miles. But other than that, truck's doing great for him. And yeah, so thanks for watching today's episode, guys. Glad we got that truck serviced. Got a little downtime today because I can't pick up until 6 p.m. So I'm looking for things to do around the house. I also got, let me walk out here and show you guys. Got my truck disconnected from the trailer because I need to hook up to the enclosed, but I had to replace the plug. Brand new plug. It got smashed in between the neck of the trailer and the bed of the truck when I was backing out from underneath of it. But with that being said, guys, thanks for watching today. See you on the next one.